guys, welcome to my video. And today I kind of want to do something a little different and clean some of my hair products out because I have too many and I just recently moved. So as I was packing in little bits and pieces, so I didn't really notice how much hair products I had until it was time for me to unpack everything. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have and throw away, you know, some of the things I don't want. So if you guys want to see more, then keep watching. I have like 3 bins full of stuff, so I'm gonna show you. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. It's just a couple stuff. Do not I don't know, I guess do not criticize me. I think I have a lot of products and I'm gonna throw away like 90% of this stuff. All right, so let's get started. So okay, so I have this it's an edge booster, edge control. I recently bought this and I really don't like it. It doesn't give me hold, and I use it on my hair just now. So I don't know, I just don't like this, so I'm gonna keep using it until I finish it because I bought it. It was $19. Next I have is this. It's this Miel Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Gel. I really didn't like this. Every time I use this for my wash and go, it gave me crazy amount of flakes. I even followed directions and I still had flakes, but it gave me really good definition and I liked how my curls came out. So I used a good bit of this and it smells like cologne. Next product I have is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the deep conditioner, and I really like this. This was my favorite. I'm almost finished with this and the smell reminds me of Play-Doh, but yeah, I like this. The next thing I have is the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout, and this one was my favorite. It was super creamy and I always liked how my hair came out. I'm almost finished with this. So, and the smell is amazing. I don't know if I should do this in order to start with like my leave-ins and then the creams and then the gels I have. Maybe I should do that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with them. I don't know, I got too much stuff. This one is the low porosity protein free leave-in conditioner, and this one was my absolute favorite. If I knew that they were gonna discontinue the line, I would have stocked up. The next one is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line, the leave-in, and I really didn't like this. I didn't like the spray. Every time I sprayed it onto my hair, it was never enough, so I always have to twist the cap off to use it for my hair, but I didn't really like it. The next leave-in I have is this Diva Curl conditioner. I never had any issues with this. I like this on my hair and I used it on my son's hair. I have never experienced breakage from it, so I don't have any bad reviews on this. The next one I have is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In, and I don't have any positive or negative reviews on this. I never really fully got to use it. I bought it in hopes of using it and then never used it. I don't know what this is. Hask. I just saw this and my mom, she uses this stuff, this brand, and I wanted to try it. I didn't really like it. I don't like watery leave-ins. I feel like my hair isn't moisturized enough, so I'm throwing this out. Oh yeah, I'm throwing this out. I'm not going to be using this. I'm throwing this out. And of course I'm throwing this out. I wanted to try and recreate this leave-in. That's why I kept it. The next one I have is this Blueberry Bliss leave-in. I didn't really like this because every time I use this, this hair product would give me flakes. But I want to try and experiment and use this again to see if I get flakes. So I'm gonna try this out one more time. If not, I'm throwing this out. The last leave-in I have is this Cantu leave-in, and I like this. I don't have any negative opinions on this. I just recently did a video using only Cantu hair products, so you guys should check that out. I don't have any bad reviews, so I'm keeping this. So this hair milk, and just like the leave-in, it gave me flakes when I tried to use this. I think I'm gonna throw this out. I use it on my son's hair, that's why it's like almost gone. But yeah, I use this on my son's hair to like refresh his curls and stuff. The next one I have is this Camille Rose hair milk. I think it's avocado and castor oil. I don't know, honestly. I use it, I don't know, I'm neutral. It's not good and it's not bad, so I'm throwing this out. It's almost gone anyway. The next one I have is this Eden Body Works curl hydrating conditioner. I didn't like it. I didn't feel like my hair was moisturized after using it. I'm throwing this out. Next one I have is Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Oil Hair Milk. I didn't like this. It was too watery for my hair. It was just too watery. I just never felt like my hair got moisturized after using this. I'm throwing this out. The next thing I bought was this Buttercream by Garnier Fructis. I don't know. I'm gonna throw this out. The next one I have is these curl enhancing smoothies. I like this. It smells really good. It's almost gone. This one too. Every time I use this, my hair felt super moisturized. The next one I have is this Benita Afro Balm Hair Butter by The Dew. And I liked it. It's almost gone. I was thinking about doing a rod set and a braid out using only Dew products. The next one I have is this Cantu Avocado Curling Cream. And I actually like this. I was super surprised in how it reacted with my hair. And I'm gonna try it out again. It was super moisturizing. And I just really liked it. So I'm gonna keep using this. The next thing I have is this hair milk. I liked it, but I'm throwing it out because I don't use it. Okay, so I have this for styling milk. It is the Organics Coconut Curls. And I like this. My hair reacted so nice to this. It gave me definition, moisture, all that good stuff. And I don't know, I'm finished with this. I just have like just a little drop left. But I'm throwing this out. It's empty. Okay, so here I have silicone mix. And I'm a fan of silicone mix. However, I don't use this on my natural hair. I used it on my weaves when I was wearing them faithfully. And let me tell y'all, this will revive the most stalest hair ever and make it super soft and flowy again. So I'm gonna throw this out because I don't really wear weaves anymore. And then I have another silicone mix, It's just the same thing but different smell. This one smells so good. I'm drawing that out too. The next one I have is this Manuka Honey Intense Leave-In. And I like this. This is my favorite conditioner. Every time I would go out, I would pick this up. So I'm keeping this because I'm using it for something else. The next product I have is this Eden Body Works hair mask. And I didn't really like this. I used this a couple times. I don't know. I wasn't a fan. So I'm throwing this out. The next one I have is this Miel Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. And it wasn't my favorite, to be honest. I used this once. And I really didn't like it. I'm gonna throw this out. The next product I have is this moringa with avocado, kale, like green deep conditioner. And I used this a couple times and it was okay. It smells healthy. It smells not too bad. It's okay, but I may not keep it. I'm on the fence. The next product I have is this hair mail. And I really like this. The only time, it's a protein treatment, and the only time I use it is whenever I'm doing a protective style, because I kind of slack off with the moisturizing when my hair is in protective styling. So I use this for an extra boost. Okay, so the first gel I have is the Extreme Wetline Extreme Gel. It's okay. It's not my favorite gel to use, but it's okay. I guess the job. I'm gonna throw this one out because I have another one. I have this Wetline Extreme Gel. I think this is the newest one, and it wasn't my favorite, to be honest. I used this for my washing gel, and it gave me stale crunch vibes. I didn't like. I'm gonna keep this because I haven't found a gel that I really like. I want to go back to using Eco Styler. The next gel I have is the Edge Booster Soft Actor Gel, and it was okay. I only use it for my low ponytails and it will slick it back. So I'm almost finished with this, so I'm gonna use it until I'm completely done with it. But after that, I'm probably not gonna buy it again. I bought this when they were trending online that one year, but I didn't like it. It wasn't my favorite. And then I have this, and this is my favorite. The gel is my favorite. I don't have any negative reviews. It defines my hair, all that good stuff. I did a video on it, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. I may link it in the cards up here, so if you guys are interested, check it out. This is the Shea Moisture Low Porosity Protein Free Conditioner, and my favorite, I have to throw it away. It's empty and it's almost gone also. It's my favorite too. Both of these were my favorite. Like, I will switch back and forth between these. I really like these for my hair. This, I didn't like it. I'm throwing it away. Then I have this. I didn't like this either, so I'm throwing this away. The only time I used this was when I needed like a quick wash, but my hair felt super dry. And with this one also, I have this, and I really like this. It takes me a while to finish shampoos. I don't use that much, to be honest, but I'm keeping this, and I use this on my son's hair. And I have another shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture shampoo, low porosity shampoo. The top cracked, so I had to put in like an applicator bottle, but it's convenient like this because I can get into my scalp. This is the Shea Moisture coconut oil, and I use this to use in my hair oils that I make. So I'm almost finished with this, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it again. So I'm gonna use this until I finish it and then use the container. The next thing I have is grease. And I would often use grease on my scalp. And then the next I have is mousse. I like both of these. I use them for my hair rods, my perm rods. So I'm keeping these until they finish and buying it again. And then I have this. And I like this. It's super lightweight. And I will use this on my low ponytail sometime to give me some shine. So I'm keeping this. And then I have this Aunt Jackie's hair oil, and I like this, so I'm keeping this. And then I have this, and I'm almost finished with this. I spent a good bit for this, and I'm gonna use it all, but I most definitely didn't see any hair growth. So I have hair oil, and this is my favorite. It's empty. I just finished this. Yeah, I'm throwing this out. Next thing I have is vegetable glycerin. And I would sometimes put this in my hair products. I don't remember why, but I would used to do it. I think to give my hair some extra moisture, but I don't really use it anymore. But I'm going to use it again because low porosity leave-in had vegetable glycerin in it, so I'm gonna try and recreate it. So this will come in handy. The next thing I have is this control paste by Curls, and I didn't like it. I liked it at first, and I would use it for my low ponytails and sometimes my puffs. I don't know if they changed the formula or something, but I don't like this anymore, so I'm throwing this out. Here's what I'm throwing away. This is what I'm throwing away. This looks like a majority of my stuff. It doesn't look like a lot. It looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell button, and see you guys in the next video.